Got to get the gear on.
Gears on, blue sky, work is done. Coming from North Canterbury into the city of Christchurch, meeting up with a couple of people from North Canterbury to take a ride into town, where it appears that there are many motorcycles converging for an event known as the Motor Social. You may have heard of it. It goes on and around all over the show. And it's the first time I have come along to one of these, and I must say, it's nice to be here.
You got a nicer one?
I haven't for a while, but
That's cool luggage for, for a whole weekend trip away. Without no doubt, there's an eclectic array of fantastical motorcycles at this event, from the small to the large, from the Harleys to the scooters, just all a eclectic group, which is awesome. Some fantastic Motor Guzzi also featured here as well. That is pretty cool. Held at Smash Palace in central Christchurch, quite well known for bike nights, and I think quite a few bikers head here, or even cyclists with some retro cycles.
just for pulling around.
There were quite a few of these at the Cold Kiwi.
Oh yeah.
I like that, it looks real like multi-purpose. You know, you get caught in a fight, you just rip them off and go hard.
That's definitely a bit of a rack, right?
This BMW with its leaking gas, is that a bit like a motorcycle that doesn't leak oil? Maybe it has no oil? Guessing the Beamer had a full tank. I like the tiny indicator.
Like you don't need it for the tail side.
These events seem to be becoming more and more popular. I believe from when it first started, there were a few people that got bigger and bigger and bigger, and now, from what I believe, is there's only a select number of venues that this can be held without too many people. So I've always liked the dive-off. When walking around here, there is a definitive sense of passion by the owners of the bikes for whatever genre of machine that they are riding, whether it be the sport bike, the scooter, the tourer, the retro machines. And there's something nice about that. We all ride for our own reason, our own purpose, whether it be for the art of the bike or if it's for the art of the ride. There's something unique in it for us all. And I use my bike, one, because it looks great. I love the way my bike looks. I love how it takes me places that I have been or have not been before. It takes me to get away for camping trips and has provided me with so many awesome memories, whether it be riding along on my own or if I am riding with groups and camping or whatever it might be. There's just a uniqueness about the ride. It takes me back to when I was a kid, because we had a CT9, I don't know, it was a 90 odd colours. It's got a character in the exhaust, character in the hole in the seat.
Just the one hole.
The nice crack. Three.
That's a cool wreck.
There is no doubt that there are some bikes here that are very, very well ridden, very well restored, very well enjoyed, may sit in the garage under a cover or maybe even sit in the foyer of their home. One great thing about Smash Palace is that there is an awesome range of beer that one can choose to drink. Comes with a price tag, but
Oh well, cheers. Yeah. Cheers.
sometimes it's not that bad when you get to sit and enjoy and just the environment and the ambiance of the venue.
I do like the colour scheme of that.
Motor Social tends to be a couple of hour window to get around and have a bit of a look at some motorcycles and really enjoy the conversation and stuff. And then it's time to meander off on your way. As I was leaving, I was screamed at, telling me that I had left my side stand down, which was true, I had. And that's because I had removed the side stand switch, which would then stop me from riding along in gear with the side stand down. I've removed the switch until I get it sorted, but I haven't, so it's the first time I've ever done it. And of course, what do? You do it in public. At least it shows that bikers look out for bikers, and ain't that a damn good thing? No doubt there'll be another one of these good things coming to a place near you in 2024, not too far around the corner, which is awesome. We made it around the sun another few times, and yeah, May the 2024 and whatever. Heading home, I was going to catch a bite at Smash Palace while I was there, but it was quite busy. It was very busy actually, and I felt there was going to be quite a wait, so I had a couple of beers and thought I'd grab something on the way home. So I'm on my way and I'm going to get myself some fish and chips, because fish and chips after a beer definitely has a mighty fine ring to it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again real soon.